shopping and entertainment experience as always. And we are glad to share that now we are taking a step ahead to add more to your happiness quotient. So we are announcing Lulu Fashion Week 2023. For you all fashionistas, Lulu Mall Lucknow, for 12 to 14th May 2023. You all are aware about that this is the first event happening in Lulu, never ever seen held before. And first of all, I am saying that, like you know, लुलू के लिए यूपी के लिए एक स्पेशल इवेंट है. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ऑल गिविंग द infinite support for us. And I'm just inviting my colleague Mr. Pradeep. He will explain more about the campaigning Lulu Fashion Week 2023. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Good afternoon, everybody. Lulu Fashion Week, one of the biggest and leading fashion event conducted by Lulu India Shopping Mall every year. Lulu Fashion Week 2023 6th edition, presented by Levi's in association with the Flying Machine, started last month in different Indian cities. There will be 32 leading national and international brands are participating in this event. Brands will be presenting their latest spring and summer collections. Now it's in the terms of City of Nawab. Lulu Fashion Week in Lucknow, starting from 12th to 14th May, with 20 leading brands like Rio, Peter England, Identity, Blackberry, V-Life, Indian Terrain, Van Heusen, Spiker, Crimson Club, Celio, Dimosa, Amukti, Croydon UK, Kashvi, Von Valek, Safari, etc. They will be showcasing array of formal, casual, denim and their ethnic range. The show will be choreographed by celebrity stylist, designer and fashion choreographer Mr. Shai Lobo, who is present right here. In addition to the fashion show, Lulu Fashion Week 2023 will also feature a fashion forum and Lulu Fashion Award in different categories. Lulu Fashion Forum will bring together professionals from fashion, entertainment and retail industries. Apart from the fashion events, the mall will also host art and different cultural events. This is the brief about the Fashion Week 2023 presented by Levi's in association with Flying Machine. Thank you.
So taking this forward, first of all namaste and welcome and thank you for your patience waiting. So what is Lulu Fashion Week? Lulu Fashion Week is basically a platform जहाँ पर लेटेस्ट फैशन ट्रेंड्स और स्टाइल ये एग्जिबिट होगी. जो हमारे फैशन लवर्स है, जो हमारे कस्टमर्स है, उनके लिए एक अवेयरनेस प्लेटफॉर्म है कि व्हाट इज द लेटेस्ट ट्रेंड इन द मार्केट, उनको क्या पहनना है, क्या सिलेक्ट करना है. एंड आई विल बी वेरी प्राउड दैट this Lulu fashion store and all the brands here will have all this latest fashion trendy clothes during this period and after this period. तो बेसिक मोटो ये है कि जो फैशन ट्रेंड्स है, जो फैशन स्टाइल है, उसको हम लोग एग्जिबिट करेंगे और वी विल मेक इट अवेलेबल फॉर ऑल आवर फैशन लवर्स एंड फैशन कस्टमर्स. तो द फ्लो ऑफ इवेंट्स आफ्टर द प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस विल बी हैविंग अ बाइक रैली. दिस बाइक रैली विल कवर अ रेडियस ऑफ 40 किलोमीटर्स ऑफ द सिटी, जहाँ पर इस लुलु फैशन वीक की अवेयरनेस हमारे कस्टमर्स तक पहुँचाई जाएगी. देन 12th May will be the inauguration of Lulu Fashion Week Lucknow at 6 PM. There are around 32 brands with 18 ramp walk. 18 रैम्प शोज हो गए जहाँ पे डिफरेंट ब्रांड्स अपने डिफरेंट स्टाइल्स, अपीयरेंस, स्टाइल स्टेटमेंट्स वो लोग एग्जिबिट करेंगे. रैम्प वॉक हो गए. So I would request every one of us being present here and our customers to be present there to understand what is the latest fashion going on in the market. उसके अलावा there is, as rightly said by Mr. Pradeep, we have a fashion forum, fashion talk show, where 6 eminent personalities from fashion industry will be sharing their insights, knowledge about fashion to all the fashion lovers and fashion aspirants. तो दैट इज एन इम्पॉर्टेंट डे जहाँ पर आप लोग और हमारे फैशन स्टूडेंट्स जितने भी है शहर के, दे कैन कम एंड पार्टिसिपेट, दे कैन कम एंड बी एन ऑडियंस टू इट, वेयर दे कैन अंडरस्टैंड एंड गेट फर्स्ट हैंड नॉलेज अबाउट फैशन. Apart from this, we are also having a ramp show from the kids who are suffering autism. So this is something which is special. एक exposure देना है उनको, diversity and inclusions follow करना है इसमें. So this is something which is different, which will be done differently, and definitely without your support it won't be possible. कि इसको एक अलग लेवल पे लेके जाके हमको अवेयरनेस बढ़ाना है इसकी कि how we can support different parts of the society. Then comes the final day, like 12th, 13th and 14th we'll be having ramp shows. On the 14th we'll be having awards and recognitions. So the brands who have performed the best, who have shown the best of the best styles, उनको facilitate किया जाएगा, उनको award दिया जाएगा. उसके साथ साथ जो भी eminent personalities who have contributed into fashion industry, they will be facilitated. So I would like from your medium, आपके माध्यम से मुझे लोगों तक ये पहुंचाना है कि 12, 13, 14 मई fix your date for Lulu, fix your date for Lulu Fashion Store, fix your date for Lulu Fashion and Lulu Mall, ताकि आप यहाँ रहिए और ये जितने भी इवेंट्स हैं जो फर्स्ट टाइम हमारे सिटी में हो रहे हैं, फर्स्ट टाइम हमारे स्टेट में हो रहे हैं, इसको ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा बढ़ावा और अवेयरनेस दे ताकि इस तरीके के इवेंट्स और भी कर सके और लोगों को इसका पूरा फायदा पहुँचे. थैंक यू.
थैंक यू. So इसी क्रम को आगे बढ़ाते हुए I would request everyone to unveil.
I would like to thank you for making us the go-to destination for shopping, leisure and entertainment in such a short span of time. It will not be ever possible without your love and support since beginning.
Precious moment. Lulu Fashion Week 2023. Levi's presents Lulu Fashion Week 2023 in association with Flying Machine at Lulu Mall, Lucknow.
To be directing the Lulu Fashion Week Lucknow debut edition, और ये शो जो हम डायरेक्ट करने वाले हैं, which I'm going to direct tomorrow, it supports fashion for all age groups, from kids to middlemen to adults to teenagers to just about everybody, and we have 18 participating brands which is national and international, and I'm looking forward to do a fabulous fashion show for all of you. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Namaskar, good afternoon to all of you. The fraternity, we welcome you to the Lulu Mall. Lulu Fashion Week is an annual property of Lulu India, and which is held in all the malls. And today, Lulu Lucknow Mall welcomes Lulu Fashion Week with great pride. We would like to associate and showcase this event to all of us, to all of you all in Lucknow. It's a very unique property. Fashion industry to showcase to the brands to showcase their collections, as Noman just mentioned, but at the same time also a great opportunity for all the customers to come and visit us again and
ये नीचे फोटो खींच के साइड। अरे भाई ये तुम्हारा